But no, there's no such thing as an independent audit for YouTube. Can you leave my premises? I'm not flying it. You're driving me crazy, pal.
Can't all be here for me, surely. Welcome back to Audit the Dealer. So we're here today looking at VW again. VW, and already spotted a massive sign on the floor here, look, which is not the best look, is it? And we're going to take a little walk in, check the workshop out first.
Right, Justin said comment still then.
So that one's for sale. All black. Oh, Golf. This one here. Golf R with pretty cool brakes on the front. They've obviously been changed. Different disc. Let's wait and see where this car's going. It looks like it's been moved to me, unless it's a customer's car. So as usual, we're going to try our best to get to the workshop before we go anywhere else. That doesn't really look the best, and it's in the disabled bay. Why is it in the disabled bay? It's not the best again, is it? Yep, I think that was a customer's car, the silver one, just going out now. The lady walked over to it, got in there with a little bit of paperwork. But it looks very new. Very, very new. But yeah, we're gonna walk straight into the back here. There's no signage. We'll see if we can see anything. I think this may be the workshop here. Which in fact is all visible from the actual dealer, pretty much. Can't see a lot through the plastic though. I'm hoping there's another entrance somewhere we can look in there. This looks like the valeting bay is here. Yeah, it's valeting. Valeting, yeah? Yeah. Yeah. This might be the other end of the workshop, I'm not sure. Well, that one going in, is it? Yeah. We get to have a quick look in the workshop now. Not a lot to see though. Tyres, nothing on the floor at all. But then there's no cars in here at all, so presumably this is a service part. And look at that. I'm not sure that should be kept outside, but we don't know what it is, what it's for. Might not be from a customer's car, that. Yeah, so that part of the workshop we've just seen, not a lot to see, to be honest. Tyres there, old tyres. It's this part up here where things are happening, but there's not really a lot happening. We've given it a good clean. So I think it's going to be more of an inside job today here. because unless they lift that plastic shutter up, can't see a lot. And the MOT viewing area, from what I can see, is behind some people's desk, so it's going to be difficult to see that, but potentially in. Look how that slammed. Damn, man. There's no wing cover on that one. Oh yes, there is. My mistake, there is a wing cover. Or is it the shadow? No, it's a shadow. No wing cover on that one. No wing cover on that one, but there's no other car in the workshop, I don't think. There's one on the ramp. Don't mind me, mate. Just filming the cars. Wing cover on that one, look, see? Very good. But that bin there is right next to the window, look, and customers are in there, they can see that. That's all there is to see in the workshop at this one. I don't want to create a massive fuss in the workshop because we haven't even got in there yet. That's messy and a fire hazard, but what even is it? I'm not sure they should be kept outside. There was one back up there, wasn't there, where we just been? And this is all a fire hazard, all this wood, cardboard, next to oil. So that's not the best for health and safety. We've already talked about the disabled bay being taken up. Now it's time to go in to the workshop, showroom. And have a little nosy around. We'll look at the outside of the place when we leave. This should be the other way around, as you can see. Wrong way. People say it's petty, but these dealers have high standards to follow, and these sorts of things, if an auditor was to come, that's what they'd point out, mark them down on. See, this one's the right way. As I say, we'll look at all this outside stuff when we leave. Lots of cars in here. Nice colour on this Golf. Model on display is 35 grand. This model on display is 46 grand. What's this cardboard behind the desk here? That doesn't look good. Coffee's there. Doesn't look good. This model on display, Tiguan, is 41.6 grand. Oh, there's the colours. There. Do you mind if I look through the glass, buddy?
Sorry?
Do you mind if I look through there?
Yeah.
Not to walk, just through the glass, is that right? Thanks. Oh. There's the workshop. Some parts there on the floor. Turbo. Yeah. But that is very good there. Wing cover. That's what's supposed to be. Thanks, mate. A very large MOT viewing area, isn't it? It's nice. Not a lot of them have it that big.
Is Sarah here, right?
Got some more customers' parts down there on the floor. That shouldn't be on the floor there. Get a better view of that. There it is, look. Car parts all over the floor. But to be fair, there is a box there, so they've probably got the other parts in the box. Could be worse. Let's go. Oh, what we got here? Got a panel in the roof missing. Have a look at that. Pretty some electrical work going on up there. It's pretty dirty. The roof, look at that. Stains. Stains there. That does not look good either there. Look at that mess. Right, let's go. Hello, mate.
Yeah, good.
You right?
What are you doing?
Just filming.
Who are you?
Just a member of the public.
All right.
Yeah, just filming.
Have you asked our permission?
I just walked in, mate, literally just now.
Yeah, if you could leave, please. I don't know what you're doing, but it does seems a bit strange. You haven't asked permission to film.
I'm to leave. I'm just filming the cars normally, but I've looked over there. Got a panel missing.
Yeah,
I just filmed it.
Maintenance, yeah.
No, I'm just the cars mostly, to make, to be fair.
All right, it's just
Prices,
a bit
stuff like
strange.
that. Yeah.
Apparently the
No.
lad said you walked into the workshop and you can't go out the back there. So yeah.
No, I went to the door and filmed through the door.
Yeah, you're not allowed. Yeah, if you can leave, I don't know what you haven't asked permission or anything, you know, to film it.
Well, no one was here. I came to reception.
Yeah, if
no,
you could
no,
leave
no
it.
one was here.
Yeah.
So I'm to leave completely or just film the cars?
No, you can leave completely.
You to leave?
Permission, yeah.
I am here to make a video, mate, so I'm going to be outside filming, okay? We've got here, unfortunately, there's no one at reception at the moment. Just filmed the Golf R before we go, although we've seen this Golf many, many times before. And that one is 59 grand on that one. Not a lot else to see over there anyway. No, we'll go. Yeah, we saw what we needed to before we get kicked out. Logo's all good.
You alright?
Oh, mate. Put some bird stuff on this car, look. It's not the best, is it? I mean, I know they're outside, but really, things like that should be wiped off. It just doesn't look great. These tiles on the floor, can't think of the right word. Paving needs a bit of a clean, doesn't it? I've no doubt that guy we spoke to, he's on the phone at the moment, but I've no doubt he'll be coming back out. Oh, they've got privacy blinds here, look. Well, for the sun maybe. Across all of there. It's pretty cool. Don't see that at every dealer. Bit of a mess there, look. So this presumably is the back of the workshop, used car showroom. And then at the end of here is a different business, I think. Or maybe not. No, that's Velt Auto. That's VW, that is. GTE. Sold that one. Electronic Golf. Fire exit, keep clear. But there's no handle on it. I'm hoping there is from the inside. Yep. Now this down here hasn't got anything on. And I know it's at the end of the showroom, but it's still part of VW, look. So they don't really take care of their site, do they? And this car here is parked sticking into the road. Just about. I mean, it's not that bad, but not the best. And what have we got going on in here? Valeting. Very nice. Valeting, yeah?
Sorry?
Cleaning the car for, yeah? Thank you, mate. Yeah. Oh, we've got another view into the workshop here. What we got there? Stool, trolley. That's it. What are these here for? Anybody know what they're for or what they are? Can't go any further. Got some damaged fence there, look. Someone's tried to climb over that. This guy's going to struggle to get out of here, it's tight. No, it's not too bad. No, it's okay. Good judge of his car there. Did that so many times myself, and the one time hit a car. Thinking, you know, when you turn and you think, oh, I'm really close, and you're not close. I took it the other way. I thought, oh, I'll be miles away. I wasn't. Brick there on the floor, breeze block. Came out of here. Not sure why it's there. Got a fresh Polo coming out. What's this on the floor here? Not sure. And this Peugeot's a state, isn't it? Look at that. Battered. Got a very nice Golf R here. Apropovic exhausts. Apropovic even. Never been able to say that word properly, never seen it spelt before. Not keen on the silver mirrors on the R, the blue one. Even the black one, mine had silver, I changed it for carbon fibre. Now they've got blue. Black car, blue mirrors. Why? Just does not look good. Well, that guy in there was on the phone. I wonder who to. The boss? Head of business or the police? It's always the police, isn't it? If somebody's feelings are hurt or they're not happy with what's going on, so let's call the police, because the police might help us with their feelings, you know? It's a bit crazy, really. Another thing worth noting is they've got two flags here, but the flags are actually missing here. Missing, and missing. So they should always have a full amount of flags all the way along, but they don't. I didn't check that when I first came. All right. Yes, exactly, mate. He didn't look too happy, did he? He didn't look happy at all. Whereas the valeting guy, very friendly, chilled guy. That's how you need to be. Just relax, it's only a camera. That's damaged. Old. So, looks like it's time for the drone to go over. Should we go and let him know what we're doing? We don't have to, but I just get a feeling he's gonna want to put a stop to the drone as well. So if we tell him, we're putting him in the picture, aren't we? We're being more than fair. Yeah, mate. I've finished my video.
I don't know who you are. And you've gone into the workshop.
I went to the door.
Yeah, but you're not allowed through there. And you're not being rude. You've not asked any permission to film these people here. Don't want to be filmed.
I haven't filmed anybody yet, apart from you.
Yeah, you've got a dash cam on your front there. I don't know who you are. Can you leave, please?
I came in to let you know. I'm finished my video part.
Yeah.
I'm going to take the drone over now. I've got a drone in my bag.
No, I don't want anything, sir.
I've got to take the drone over, mate. I'm sorry.
I don't know who are you.
It's only a... So what I do, I walk around car dealers and I film them.
Right.
Unannounced.
Yeah.
And I film the workshop.
Yeah.
To check things like wing covers are on the cars and stuff like that. And to be fair, the cars you've got in have got them on. But a lot of dealers don't have them on.
Who are you?
Do independent audits for YouTube.
But no, there's no such thing as an independent audit for YouTube. This is Volkswagen dealership.
There is
owned by
because I do them.
Okay, who's employing you?
So you know VQM standards, brand standards?
Yeah.
I've got that book and I go around independently and I check things, document it on video, put it in the public domain so any customers that want to watch it.
So it's nothing to do with Lookers, it's nothing to do with Volkswagen, you're just an independent YouTuber.
Independent,
I don't want
exactly.
you to film. Yeah?
That's fine, mate. I've explained what I've done. You've asked me to explain.
You did not. You could have introduced yourself to me earlier. You didn't.
I didn't see you, mate. There was nobody on
You
reception.
can come and ask. Can you leave my premises? I don't know where your vehicle is. Please leave.
I'm going to fly this over now.
You're not flying it.
I'll do it from the path, no problem.
Can you get off my premises? You're driving me crazy, pal. If you want to fly your drone...
Mate. Calm down. Calm down, mate. It's not looking good for your company, is it? Relax. What, and you haven't? What a strange guy. Oh, look at that doggy. Nice doggy. What an aggressive man. He asked me who I was, so I've told him what I do, and then he says there's no such thing. Well, there is, mate, because I do it. I do it myself. Of course there's such thing. And the drone is going over. From public, obviously. Seems a bit of a loose cannon, he did. It's not like he introduced himself, is it? Who was he? Manager? Salesman? Cleaner? I've got a dash cam on my chest. It's not a dash cam, mate.
Please check it on the map.
Let's go, let's get Nick up.
Take off.
No, mate, we're not part of VW or Lookers. We're just doing an independent YouTube audit for social media. No solar panels, mate. Disappointing. Very, very disappointing. All right then, let's have a look, shall we? Let's go in the forbidden area, shall we? The workshop area. There we go. Now what is that on the floor there? That does not look good, does it? I'm going to go back in and I'm going to get my zoom cam out on that to show everybody what it actually is. And if he comes out and doesn't like it, I'm going to ask him what it is and why it's there. Let's drop right down to about there and we'll zoom in. Yeah, that is not good. Going into the drain as well, look. All right. What? From home. YouTube. So look over here. We've already walked here. So it looks like they've got a nice square showroom, and then they've got a long workshop attached to the back here. Let's have a little nosy around. And it didn't look like a lot of work going on in the workshop today, did it? Saturday, they're meant to be open 8 till 1, but it's about half 11 now, 12, and there's nothing going on at all. So customers are probably waiting, thinking, oh yeah, they're working on my car today till 1 o'clock. They're not, mate. There's a guy working on his own car in there. Now that's just water, I think, there. Stick it in sport mode, and we'll get down over here. Quite nice and sunny here now, but not that warm yet. There's the mess. But it might be the valeting room. And if it's just water, obviously that's fine, isn't it? What do we think these guys are called, the police? When he tells them it's a YouTube audit, they're not going to come. Time for a quick photo. Although, no, let's check out the condition of their guttering area first. Just seen it. It looks quite dirty to me. Yeah, it's a state, isn't it, their roof? Look at that. Anyway, let's get a photo and we'll get out of here. Test drive going on there. Look at Volkswagen. Let's try again, shall we? Let's get a photo this time. Oh, they're locking the gate. Should we just prove a point, fly the drone over the gate? Alright then, let's get this photo for the 4th time, we'll try. So everybody, the drone is down. We're not able to go in the backyard anyway, now it's locked. Oh, and now it says strictly no public. No entry to the public. Now it's closed, it says it. Couple of bikes coming past, look. So guys, we left VW and there's a police car over there. So let's go and check out what the police... Oh, 2 police cars for a man with a camera. Oh dear. Oh dear.
To move it back just a little.
What do these guys want? 3 police cars. Can't all be here for me, surely. 3 police cars, really? No. Can't be for me. Really? Why are there 3 police cars here? What on earth is going on? What on earth is going on here? 3 police cars, I can't believe it. Surely not for me. Can't be for me. I think there might be a police in this car still. Yeah, they're still in here. You alright, guys? Hi, mate. I came here earlier.
Yeah.
You come here for me?
No.
Ah.
No, what
I made a video inside.
Oh, yeah. No.
They kicked me out and I'm calling the police.
Oh, no. It's
So
nothing to do with
I
you.
walked back past and I've seen like 3 cars. I'm like, what?
No, we're not here for you, mate. No.
Something happened.
Oh, we can't discuss
You
that.
can't.
No, that's nothing to do with you, though.
But you're not here for your car to be serviced, right?
We wouldn't get this service.
That's what I thought. I thought, why is there 3 cars here?
What are you filming? Oh.
Yeah, essentially, yeah. Wow, what's going on? You can't say anything, can you? Nothing at all. I'll have to just...
that interesting, I'm afraid.
Nothing interesting. 3 of you, 3 cars.
Yeah. Literally, we're hanging around because there's not rooms nearby, so we're just waiting.
Ah, I'm gonna hang around myself, mate. Cheers, man. Something's happened. Ah, not here for me then. I wonder what they are here for. Take the drone over and have a look at the backyard. I think it's Surrey Police here. Is it Surrey Police? You all right, mate?
Oh, mate.
What's happened?
Second.
What's happened?
Oh, nothing.
Oh. I just saw the 3 cars. I thought something's kicked off or something. Wow. Sussex Police, not Surrey, Sussex. Oh, they're off now. Wow. Still 1 car in there.
When the phone rings, we drop everything. Every second counts. Within minutes, we're processing the stock.
So he probably says,
That will be filmed it, you know, it's going to.
sorry, this guy here is an independent YouTuber.
Oh,
on my
is he?
site.
Thought you here for me.
Hello, you're right.
You're alright, mate. Don't worry, I'm just in the car, obviously. I just come in to see what you guys are doing, but I'll go. It's alright.
Yeah, we just having a conversation. Nothing exciting.
Obviously, I came here earlier and he said he called the police. So when I left and walked back, I seen you. I thought, oh, they're here for me.
No,
But you're not here for me.
not here for you.
Anything exciting?
No,
Alright, mate.
no, I want a new car.
You want a new car?
No, it's not up there.
Oh,
I
alright, mate.
love a new car, I just can't afford it.
Ah, you alright, mate? Are you here for a new car? Have you? What you got? Say again, mate.
Not from here, not from.
Oh, no. No, I was saying, what have you got? What car do you drive? Anything like exciting or fast?
1 Series.
Okay. I got a Golf R, so I like my fast cars, man.
What you got?
Golf R. Yeah, I like my fast cars, so not from here, no. I was just doing a little audit. You sure you know what that is?
Yeah.
Just filming around and
What are you auditing here then?
why?
Why here? What are you looking for?
So you know, like VW, Audi, VAG Group,
Yeah.
got their little audit book that the internal auditors use. So I started to learn that, go around and check like workshops and stuff, you know.
Sure, I'll tell you first.
See that car up there? See the cover on the front of it, the wing?
Yeah.
They have to be on there when the bonnet's up, see, to protect the bodywork. But a lot of them don't have it on.
They've been right here today. Sticking to the rules.
To be fair, the workshop's pretty good here.
Yeah.
It's pretty, as you can see, it's pretty clean.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we see some that are quite, you know, customers' car parts from the engine all over the floor. Not here,
Yeah.
but that's not allowed. They have to be on a shelf.
So what do you do? This is now. Fly your drone through the window, something. Look through the window.
So normally go around the back, film through the window, whatever, from here.
Yeah.
Show the prices, the cars, make it informative for the viewer,
Yeah.
and then fly the drone over last and just check solar panels and stuff like that.
Where are you off to next, or is this your last spot?
No, I've been here, went to Audi.
Yeah.
Audi were brilliant. I'm going to go further along now and just have a look.
Fair enough.
Nowhere planned, just,
See where the day takes you.
yeah.
Excuse me a sec. Got it on the phone. Yeah.
give me 2 seconds, I'll get the car.
You going as well?
I ain't that exciting, I told you.
Assuming you don't have the customer's details and everything. I'm assuming you guys have the customer's details.
Yeah, I've got it.
What's happened, buddy?
I don't know.
I know you can't-
To clean my car.
Are you a customer?
No, I work here.
Oh, right, fair enough. I just saw the 3 police cars. I thought, flipping hell.
Yeah, no, I have no idea. I came just to clean my car. Next thing I know, technician speaking with the police.
Oh, is he a technician, the big guy there? Yeah.
Yeah. I know nothing of the situation.
Oh, so it's not to do with you guys. It's to do with somebody maybe that came in and gone.
Possibly.
Right, got
I
you.
have no idea.
Got you. Cool.
I'm just one of the bystanders, essentially. I
Ah,
have no idea what's happening with it.
fair enough, mate. Where have they gone at the workshop? Are they back at the back or?
I'm not sure.
So I'll go.
They might have just gone up to the offices upstairs.
Oh, I got it. Cool. Not being nosy. Well, I am being nosy. I came in earlier, did a little video of the shop,
Yeah.
left. One of your managers, well, the guy that just walked out there, he wasn't happy with the filming. Sometimes they call the police. When I walked back, I thought, oh, they're here for me. But they're not.
Yeah.
I thought 3 cars for a guy filming is a bit excessive.
It is what it is, though.
Yeah, of course, mate. Where's your car then?
My car?
Yeah, Ballyton area.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Cool. Hello everybody, thanks for watching this one, VW Lookers. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, more importantly, subscribe to Audit the Dealer.